Hello everyone, welcome back. Want to make extra money doing simple online tasks? Well, Clickworker promises to pay you for microtasks you can do at home. But is it actually worth your time? Let's find out. Clickworker is a workplace platform where you can earn extra money doing work from home jobs. It's a crowdsourcing marketplace that connects businesses with freelance contractors for completing small digital tasks. Founded in 2005, the platform has completed over 1 million tasks. Jobs can include things like watching YouTube videos, answering branded surveys, and reviewing products on social media. You can also access UHRS, a partner platform with microtask opportunities. It's all remote and flexible. So, what's the pay like? Honestly, not great. You can expect around $6 to $7 per hour if you're fast. Most survey tasks pay between 2 cents and $7. Some jobs pay instantly while others take up to 30 days for approval. The minimum payout is €10 or dollars for PayPal. Payments are made weekly via PayPal or Payoneer or bi-weekly with bank transfer. Task availability varies day to day, so income isn't consistent. It's definitely not full-time money. What do people like? Well, users praise the user-friendly interface on both desktop and mobile. There's a good range of available tasks, and you can pick which ones you want to do. It's completely free to join, and payouts are reliable once you meet the minimum. The platform is safe and legitimate with a support desk that actually responds. The flexibility is nice if you want to work on your own schedule. Now, the problems. Many users report tasks being rejected without clear explanations. Some complete tasks show zero payment despite the effort required. Pay is low for most tasks, and job availability is inconsistent. Access to UHRS, where better paying tasks isn't guaranteed for everyone. You need to complete assessments first, which means low initial earnings while you learn. And remember, you're an independent contractor with no benefits. So, is Clickworker worth it? It's a great side hustle, not a primary income source. If you have an erratic schedule and want flexible part-time income, it could work. Perfect for students or people with spare time who want pocket money. But if you need steady income or want to maximize earnings, look elsewhere. It's legit and easy, but the pay is just okay. That's Clickworker for you guys. Easy money, but not much of it. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.